Dear students, the next one, work power energy need based question number 8. See the question. When a force 8 I cap plus 4 j cap Newton displace a particle through 3 I cap minus 3 j cap meter, the power is 0.6 watt. Therefore, they are asking the time of action of the force is. Okay, so the time value is given, that is a different option: 20 second, 7.2 second, 72 second and 2 second. So let's see the solution. Let's see the question one more time. When a force some Newton displace a particle some meter. So in this case power is given, time is asking. For example, this is that object. First write given information. Force is given. Force is equal to 8 I cap plus 4 j cap. 8 I cap plus 4 j cap Newton. And then displace. So that displacement is given, that is d is equal to. So this is, this is a vector. So displacement, that is a d vector. Displacement is given as 3 I cap minus 3 j cap. 3 I cap minus 3 j cap. Displacement, that is unit is meter. Then for this power value is given, power is a scalar, so I didn't mention the vector symbol. So that is 0.6 watt. So in this question, okay, how long the force is acting on the body? That is a question. So let's see the solution. Let's take one object. See this object. Some force acting on this object. Okay. So due to this action of force on the object, it is displaced from point A to point B. So this displacement, that is d vector, that is given. Applied force F vector is given. Okay. So the force acting on the object with the power, that is P value is given, that is 0.6 watt. Okay, so 0.6 watt acting on the body, so it is displaced from A to B. Okay, so what about its duration? It's taking time to cover this much displacement. So they are asking the time in this question, that the duration from A to B is asking. So basic formula, that is a power is equal to work done divided by time. So therefore power is equal to work done formula, force into displacement divided by time. So in this question we need time alone. Therefore time is moving here, power is shifted here. Therefore time is equal to F vector dot d vector divided by power. So now I'll write here, no space, I can write here. Therefore time is equal to first force value. Force value what? 8 I cap plus 4 j cap into displacement. Displacement is 3 I cap minus 3 j cap divided by power value is, that is 0.6 watt. Therefore time is equal to 8 into 3, that is 24. Again plus 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12. Divide by 0.6. So 24 minus 12, that is plus 12. So 12 divided by 0.6. 0.6 we can write 6 into 10 power minus 1. So 6 into 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1 moving numerator, 10 power plus 1, that is 10. Okay, here 1 time, here 2 time. So 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. So the time unit is second. So 20 second. So here 1 time, here 2 time, 2 into 10, 20 second. So this option is matched with the option A. So in this question I can write the option. So answer I can write here this question answer is option A, that is 22nd. Okay, thank you.